Hi everyone. Hope you all are good. We are here for grade 1 math. So you can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password is provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 1 and then click on view all lessons. So there you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter fractions, and the lessons we're going to cover today are simple fractions. What fraction does the shape show? Simple fractions, part of a group. Fractions, word problem. So let's just start with the lesson fractions from grade 1. So I am on grade 1 math. The chapter we're working on is fractions. Let's just start with the first lesson, that is simple fractions. What fraction does the shape show? Okay, so let's just start with the first example. What fraction of a shape is pink? So you're given a shape, you have to see what fraction of the shape is pink. So let's just look at the shape. The shape has two equal parts, right? White. That means 1 out of 2 is pink because the total portions are 2 and just one of them is pink, right? So it would be 1 out of 2 is pink, right? Okay, the next one is what fraction of the shape is purple. So you are given with a shape, you have to see what fraction of the shape is purple. So let's just count the total portions of the shape, right? So the shape has total 1, 2, 3, 4 portions, right? And out of the 4, just one is purple, right? That means 1 out of 4 part is purple. So the correct option is 1 out of 4 part is purple, right? So it is 1 out of 4. You can write 1 slash 4 in fractional form. You can represent 1 slash 4. That means 1 out of 4, right? The total parts are 4. Just one is pink, right? Okay, the next one is what fraction of the shape is green? So just look at the shape. The shape has two portions, right? Two equal parts. One of them is green and one of them is white. The question is what fraction of the shape is green? So it would be 1 out of 2. The total parts are 2. Just one of them is green. So you can say 1 out of 2 is green, right? Let's just start with the practice questions. Okay, what fraction of the shape is pink? So let's just look at the shape. The shape has total two portions, right? Two parts, two equal parts. One of them is pink. So you can say 1 out of 2 is pink and you can represent as 1 out of 2, 1 by 2, right? Okay, what fraction of the shape is blue? So just look at the shape. The shape has total 4 portions, 4 equal parts, right? 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. and only one of them is blue. That means it would be 1 out of 4. 1 out of 4 is blue, right? And you can write it as 1 slash 4. So that would be the second option. What fraction of the shape is yellow? So just look at the shape. The shape has total 3 equal parts, right? And just one of them is yellow. That means 1 out of 3 is yellow, right? 1 out of 3. The total portions are 3. Just one is yellow. So it would be 1 out of 3. Option number 1 is the correct option, right? What fraction of the shape is green? So just look at the shape. The shape has 2 equal parts, right? One of them is green. That means 1 out of 2 is green. The correct option is 1 out of 2. You can say 1 slash 2. In the fractional form, you can write it as 1 out of 2, right? What fraction of the shape is pink? Just one of the portion is pink, right? 1 out of 4, the correct, because the shape has total 4 equal parts. So it would be 1 out of 4 is pink. The last option is the correct one. What fraction of the shape is green? So which is the correct option? Just look at the shape. The shape has 3 equal parts, right? Just one of them is green. So it would be 1 out of 3. Or you can write it as 1 slash 3. Correct option is second one, right? What fraction of the shape is purple? So which is the correct option? The shape has 4 equal parts. Just one of them is purple. So it would be 1 out of 4. Option number 1 is the correct option. 1 out of 4 is purple. What fraction of the shape is green? Which is the correct option? Yes, very good. That would be 1 out of 2. Just one of the just one of the portion is green out of 2. So it would be 1 out of 2. What fraction of the shape is blue? Which is the correct option? The shape has 4 equal parts. Yes, that would be 1 out of 4. 1 out of 4 is blue. What fraction of the shape is orange? The correct option is, yes, very good. That would be 1 out of 3 because the shape has total 3 portions. Just one of them is orange, so it would be 1 out of 3. What fraction of the shape is orange? The correct option is 1 out of 3. Just one of the portion is orange. The total is 3, so it would be 1 out of 3. What fraction of the shape is orange? Which is the correct option? Yes, very good. It would be 1 out of 4. What fraction of the shape is blue? The correct option is 1 out of 2. Very good. What fraction of the shape is purple? Which is the correct option? The correct option is 1 out of 4. Option number 3 is the correct option. What fraction of the shape is blue? Yes, very good. That would be 1 out of 4. The correct option is 1 out of 4 because the shape has total 4 portions. Just one of them is purple, so it would be 1 out of 4. Okay, we are done with the lesson. Let's just start with the next lesson. The next lesson is simple fractions parts of a group. So let's just start with the lesson. What fraction of the suitcases are green? So let's just count all the suitcases, right? We have one, two, three, 4 suitcases, and out of the 4, just one is green, right? That means 1 out of 4 is green, and in the fractional form, you can write it as 1 over 4, right? So that would be 1 out of 4. Okay, the next one is what fraction of the blocks are red? So, which is the correct option? The correct option is 1 out of 2. You can see the total blocks are 2, just one is red, so it would be 1 out of 2. If you already know the answers, you can please write down the answers in the chat box. Okay, the next one is what fraction of the octagonal prisms are orange? So, which is the correct option? The correct option is 1 out of 2. You have 3 prisms, and out of 3, just one is orange. So it would be 1 out of 3, right? Let's just start with the practice questions. What fraction of the suitcases are green? So, which is the correct option? The total suitcases are four, right? Just one of them is green, so it would be one out of four, right? What fraction of the octagonal prisms are orange? So, which is the correct option? The correct option is one out of three. You can see you have total three prisms, just one of them is orange, right? So, it would be one out of three prisms are orange. The correct option is option number one, that is one out of three. What fraction of the bows are green? So, which is the correct option? The correct option is, you can see you have total five bows, right? And out of five, just one is green. So, it would be one out of five, right? But fraction of the bows are green, one out of five. The correct option is second one. What fraction of the ovals are green? Which is the correct option? The correct option is one out of two, because you have two ovals, just one of them is green. Yes, very good. That would be one out of two. Option number one is the correct option. What fraction of the bows are orange? Which is the correct option? The correct option is one out of four, right? Because you have total four bows, just one of them is orange, so it would be one out of four. Option number two is the correct option. What fraction of the cups are orange? Which is the correct option? The correct option is one out of five, because the total cups are five, just one of them is orange, so it would be one out of five. What fraction of the decagons are yellow? Which is the correct option? The correct option is one out of three, because you have total three decagons, just one of them is yellow, so it would be one out of three. The correct option is one out of three. What fraction of the blocks are red? Which is the correct option? The correct option is 1 out of 2 because you have total 2 blocks, just one of them is red, so it would be 1 out of 2. Option 1 is the correct option. What fraction of the balloons are orange? Which is the correct option? Yes, very good. That would be 1 out of 4 because the total balloons we have is 4. Just one of them is orange, so it is 1 out of 4. What fraction of the bottles are red? Which is the correct option? The correct option is 1 out of 5, right? Because you have total 5 bottles. You can see just one of them is red, so it would be 1 out of 5. The second option is the correct one. What fractions of the tubs are blue? Which is the correct option? It would be, yes, very good. That would be 1 out of 2 because you have total 2 tubs, just one of them is blue, so it would be 1 out of blue. 2. What fraction of the nonagons are purple? Which is the correct option? It would be, yes, very good. That would be 1 out of 3. You can see you have 3 nonagons, just one of them is purple, so it would be 1 out of 3. Nonagons means the shape that has 9 sides. You can count the shape has 9 sides. So it is 1 out of 3. Okay, we are done with the lesson. Let's just start with the next one. Let's just start with the next lesson. That is, I think, word problems, fractions, word problems. Yes. Let's just start with the next lesson. That is fractions, word problems. Okay, let's just start with the first example. Jody arranged 7 flowers in a vase. She used 2 roses. What fraction of the flowers were roses, right? So you can see the total flowers are 7, right? Out of 7, just 2 of them are is roses. So you can say 2 out of 7 were roses. The correct option is 2 out of 7. There are 4 cars in a parking lot. 3 of them have bumper stickers. What fractions of the car have bumper sticker? So first of all, you have to see for the total cars, right? The total cars are 4. Just 3 of them have the bumper stickers, right? So it would be 3 out of 4. That means there are 3 of the cars have bumper sticker. The total cars are 4, so it would be 3 out of 4. The next one is a restaurant chef made 5 bowls of pasta. She put extra cheese on one of them, but fraction of the bowls have extra cheese. So which is the correct option? The total bowls are 5, right? Just one of them have extra cheese, so it would be 1 out of 5. The correct option is 1 out of 5. Let's just start with the practice questions. Ten students went to the zoo. 9 of them saw the penguins. What fraction of the students saw the penguins? So, which is the correct option? The total students who went to the zoo is 10, right? And just 9 of them saw the penguins. So, which is the correct option? Yes, that would be 9 out of 10 because the total students are 10 and 9 of the students saw the penguins. So it would be 9 out of 10. Option number 1 is the correct option. Becky bought 7 bagels for brunch last Sunday. 5 of the bagels had raisins. What fraction of the bagels had raisins? So which is the correct option? Yes, the correct option is 5 out of 7 because the total are 7 and 5 of them have raisins. So it would be 5 out of 7. The smaller number is always in the numerator, right? It would be 5 out of 7 because the total is 7. Hector made a bouquet with 10 flowers. He used 7 pink flowers. What fraction of the flowers were pink? Which is the correct option? The correct option is yes, very good. That would be 7 out of 10 because the total flowers are 10. 7 of them are pink, so it would be 7 out of 10. There were 3 students in a swimming pool. One got out. What fraction of the students got out? So which is the correct option? The correct option is very good. That would be 1 out of 3 because the total students were 3, just one of them got out. So it is 1 out of 3. Very good. What there are 9 restaurants in Blakestown. 5 of the restaurants serve hamburgers, but fraction of the restaurants serve hamburgers. So which is the correct option? The correct option is very good. That is 5 out of 9 because the total restaurants are 9 and 5 of them serve hamburgers. So the correct option is 5 out of 9. Option number 3 is the correct option. Dakota saw 4 crabs in an aquarium. 2 of the crabs were orange. What fraction of the crabs were orange? So which is the correct option? The correct option is 2 out of 4, right? Because the total crabs were 4 and 2 of them were orange. So that would be 2 out of 4. There are three there are 3 cars parked on Pedro's Street. 2 of the cars are red. What fraction of the cars are red? So which is the correct option? Yes, that would be 2 out of 3. The correct option is 2 out of 3. Andrew made 6 brownies. He puts he put nuts on one brownie. What fraction of brownies had nuts? Which is the option? The correct option is yes, very good. That is 1 out of 6. Bob got out 2 celery sticks for a snack. He put peanut butter on one of them. What fraction of the celery sticks had peanut butter? Which is the correct option? Yes, the correct option is 1 out of 2. The correct option is 1 out of 2. Bob got, okay, I forgot to click on the OK button. A restaurant chef made 5 bowls of pasta. She put extra cheese on one of them. What fraction of the bowls had extra cheese? Which is the correct option? The correct option is 1 out of 5. Very good. That is option number 1, 1 out of 5. Nine students went on a trip of New York City. 7 of them visited the Statue of Liberty. What fraction of the students visited the Statue of Liberty? Which is the correct option? Yes, the correct option is 7 out of 9. Very good. Jody arranged 7 flowers in a vase. She used 2 roses. What fraction of the flowers were roses? Which is the correct option? The correct option is 2 out of 7, right? That is option number 3 because the total flowers are 7, just 2 of them are roses, so it would be 2 out of 7. Leon and his mother went for a walk. They saw 6 dogs playing in the park. 5 of the dogs they saw were brown. What fraction of the dogs were brown? So, which is the correct option? The correct option is very good, 5 out of 6, right? The correct option is 5 out of 6. Option last one is the correct option. There are 4 cars in the parking lot. 3 of them have bumper stickers. What fraction of the cars have bumper stickers? Which is the correct option? The correct option is very good, 3 out of 4. Because the total cars are 4, just 3 of them have bumper stickers. So it would be 3 out of 4. Eva made 8 cookies. She put sprinkles on one of the cookies. What fraction of the cookies had sprinkles? Which is the correct option? The correct option is very good. That is 1 out of 8 because the total cookies are 8. Just one of them have brown sprinkles, so it would be 1 out of 8. There are 8 sweaters on a rack in the departmental store. 3 of the sweaters have strips. What fraction of the sweater have strips? Which is the correct option? Yes, the correct option is 3 out of 8, right? The total sweaters are 8. 3 of them have strips, so it is 3 out of 8. Okay, we are done with the lesson. And also we are done with the chapter fractions. So we were working on grade 1 math. The chapter we're working on is fractions. The lessons we have covered today are simple fractions. What fraction does the shape show? Simple fractions part of a group. Fractions word problem. You can do the final test on your own, right? So if you have any question, you can please ask. I am here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. So please ask. No questions? Okay, that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye, everyone.